friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a diamond from Save the Shapes, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top, and we're going to draw in a straight line for the top of that diamond shape. We're going to come down on both sides from that corner. We're going to bring this diagonal line out, and we're just going to end this at the same height. Let's pull this through. So from that corner, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming down towards the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing, just pulling this through from the middle, bringing this all the way up towards that edge. Let's add in the eyes now. So splitting our paper in half, coming over on the left, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll step across, replicating that on the right-hand side as well. Now, coming in towards the middle on the inside corner, let's draw in another circle for that pupil. We'll replicate that on the inside as well. Moving over towards that inside corner now, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And now that we've drawn in our highlight, let's just color in that pupil black. Let's come up. From each eye, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through towards the center. And now on the top, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming out. Let's step under, replicating that, bringing this across, ending that at the same width. And then now we're just going to flatten this out on the very top. Let's drop down for the mouth, underneath both eyes, drawing in a curved line from left to right. We're going to round this out on the corner, so we're just going to curve this over, pulling this into the center, and then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side. We'll blend that back in together. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in another curved line from left to right, and then moving underneath that, let's draw in an arch line, bringing this around, and then back up on the side. Let's draw in some teeth now. So from the middle, stepping over, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out, leaving a gap. And then from that point, just bringing this diagonal line back through towards the top. Let's step over again, drawing two diagonal lines coming out. And then again, pulling those through to the top. Now, as we come down, we're going to draw in another diagonal line again in the corner, and then just bringing that back through on the side. In the center, stepping over, let's draw in two diagonal lines, joining at a point, creating a triangle right in the middle. And then we'll step out, drawing in another diagonal line, coming across. Let's bring that back down, creating another triangle. One last time, stepping over, pulling this up and back down. Let's draw on the arms now. So on the top, let's curve this line down. We'll step over on the right, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Let's move in. Again, curving this through to the bottom. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line. Moving around this for the wrist now on the inside, we're going to arch this over, pulling this back through on the opposite side, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down now. We're going to draw in the thumb, so we're going to curve this line down. We'll step across from this on a diagonal, drawing in the corner bracket, and this is where we're going to draw our thumb to come into. So now from this line on the outside, let's round out our thumb, pulling that back in. Let's continue to step across for that first finger, arching this around, pulling that in. Let's move over in the center, replicating that. Now lastly for the pinky, just curving this back over and through towards the top. Now for the legs, on either side of this point, I'm just going to draw in a straight line coming down, ending that at the same height. Let's step across again, replicating that. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line, curving this out. Now around the ankle, we're just going to curve this over, pulling this back through and in, replicating that on the opposite side. Let's move down for the shoe. So coming down on the inside, we're just going to curve this down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height on both sides. And then we'll curve the bottom of our shoe out. We'll just extend that past the ankle. Let's round out the top, curving this over and in, replicating that on the right. And then now let's close off the sole of the shoe by just arching this back through and across. And that is it. That's how you draw a diamond from Save the Shapes. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.